Morning, everybody. It's Dr. Ken Wakes Up. I'm Dr. Ken. Tell by my outfit that it's raining outside. You might even be able to hear some of the pitter patter rain on the windows and the water flowing down the drain spout. It's Friday, February 20th, 2026. How you doing this morning? My Fitbit tells me that I got 6 and whatever hours of sleep last night. 6:49. But I was awake for a good hour in the middle of the night. Something bedevils me at 3 in the morning, and I just got to deal with it, I guess. So if you have tips for how to deal with bedevilment at 3 a.m., put them in the comments. Oh. Well, all right. Friday's ordinarily a day when I take care of admin stuff. Assemble my list for the weekend. Just writing down another song for the webpage companion. Yeah, got grading and a meeting at 10. And maybe I'll go get myself a haircut. Just have to check in with a bunch of people today. So it's pretty much what my day is today. I hope you have a great Friday. And love you. Bye.